Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can remove pronouns from your Pinterest profile. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. After that, select the three-dot icon. From here, tap on the settings option. Now, select public profile. After that, tap on the pronouns section. Now, tap on the pronouns you have already listed. You will see a cross button. Select it. And then finally, tap on the done button. Again, select done button. And that's it. This is how you can remove the pronouns from your Pinterest profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.